tornado on Highway 42 southeast of Prentiss. We have a live camera there. Let's look at that now. This is damage. This is from Storm Chaser 12 Thunder. We are on Highway 42, a little fuzzy, but you can see that is, it looks like a possibly a trailer or a horse trailer and a home there. Complete damage. Right now you're in Jefferson, Davis County. This is where we just had two massive confirmed catastrophic tornadoes. Major damage there. Our crew has just arrived on the scene. You can see there are police, emergency managers. Major tree damage, it looks like, as this storm would likely flatten anything in its path. And again, this is just off towards the southeast of Prentiss there. Right now you're looking from Highway 42, and this was right there not too long ago where we had the tornado. So again, you're just looking at these images. I know it's fuzzy, but you can see the roof certainly impacted there. Trees down on cars, buildings. Again, 42 just to the south there in southern Jefferson, Davis County. This happened right back around 5 o'clock. This is when the second tornado moved through, and this is near the community of Carson. Essentially, Carson sits on Highway 42. My goodness, that looks like a trailer wrapped in a tree there. And again, a local emergency manager in Jefferson Davis, a sheriff on scene. Prentiss down to Bassfield along Highway 42, right between Prentiss and Bassfield, is a community called Carson, and that is where the tornado crossed there. This is likely near going to be somewhere along this area near North Carson Road. And again, you're just seeing major damage there. Looks like a home or some barns completely destroyed. You're looking at live images of southeast of Prentiss there and Highway 42. So major damage there. We were also getting some earlier reports and down in southeast Mississippi, down in the Pine Belt, that we possibly had some people trapped in their homes. And I'm hoping that everyone escaped safely, because we had early heads up. We've been tracking these tornadoes for the past couple of hours here in south central Mississippi and across the Pine Belt. And now you're just seeing those trees completely, the limbs completely ripped off right now in Jefferson, Davis County. This is where the confirmed dangerous, likely EF4 to EF5 tornado moved through about 30 minutes ago there. This is live now from our reporter Gerald Harris. He's down on the scene and he's talking. And Gerald, it seems like that you now have your microphone on. You have just arrived on the scene. What are you seeing there, Gerald?
Yeah, we're seeing complete devastation. You can see the path that the tornado here reuniting, hopefully running to see if their family members are okay, and this is the situation that they are dealing with. You can see trees down, power lines down. You see a couple RVs topped over in this yard. So you see a school bus with trees on top of it. So this is a very scary situation for many of the people who live here, checking on their family members. And again, we're in Jefferson Davis County, where you have shown the viewers where that tornado emergency moved through this area. So it's a very dangerous situation, even after the fact that the tornado has moved out. When you have down power lines, trees down, I mean, this still poses a danger to individuals. So what we have now is that we have police officers here, law enforcement. We have the energy companies here to make sure that these wires are not live and they're safe for people to move throughout here. We had a couple of highway patrolmen going around the different properties yelling to see if anyone was home, to make sure that they were clear and there was no one that was unfortunately had died. So we don't have any reports of any injuries or any deaths. We will continue to monitor this area and talk with the community members to see what they saw, what they heard throughout this entire ordeal. I'll send it back to you.
Thanks, Gerald. And Gerald, if you can still hear me, I just want to tell you before you get off your IFB that you are only a few miles away from Bassfield, Mississippi, and we are getting multiple reports that Graves Key, Graveskey Road in Bassfield, there in the same county where you are, just down the road, multiple people trapped in their homes, rescues underway, and it seems that may be happening there along Highway 42 as you're near the Bassfield area as well. We had a significant tornado near this area not too long ago. So Gerald, stay safe out there. Thank you for getting us these first images. Again, significant tornado has just passed through in the last 30 minutes.